Here's the elevator. As you can tell, where's the button? It's all the way over here. I was not expecting to find another Burlington. Found them out of room. And it's got these buttons too, which I really like. They're satisfying. Problems here suck, by the way. Everything here is like boring. Yeah. Yep, it's original. Instant leveling. Does this one light up? Oh yeah, it does. Alright, cab view. Just got my pictures. No handrail on the back. Beautiful Burlington elevator. Why is the phone light on? Let's see if we can close the door with this method. No, you can't. We'll have to wait for it to close because we're going to start the motor with the door closed. Nice motor. Okay, I'm gonna end my video up here because I'm limited on my storage. Please close, there we go, and that's it.